बचपन से लेके आज तक एक ही बात मुझे सुनने को मिली है, तुमसे ये नहीं हो पाएगा, तुम ये नहीं पहन सकती, तुम यहाँ नहीं जा सकती, तुम वो नहीं कर सकती। लिटरली एवरी अदर thing I want to do, they just say no, you cannot do this, you cannot do that, you cannot achieve this, you cannot achieve that. And that's the reality many Indian women live. The truth about Indian society is before they teach our Indian girls how to dream, they teach the girls how to stay quiet, how to laugh silently, how to adjust themselves, how to stay soft, how to stay underconfident. And I'm sick of this mindset. I am literally sick of this mindset. And then one day, these same people ask the girl the same questions. Why are you so insecure? Why are you not confident enough? Why can't you do all of these things? Hello. You made her go through all of the shits. How can she be confident? When the only thing you taught her was how to adjust herself, was how to just get invisible. You never ever taught her how to dream big. How can she be ever confident? How? How is that possible? Before anyone attacks me, disclaimer, this video is not about me blaming Indian parents or anyone or culture, etc. etc. It is just me standing up for those women who are always dismissed, devalued, like they are never valued. I just want to speak up to those women. And if you are a woman watching this, and if this is your reality, and if you resonate with this video even for a little bit, then just know it's time, it's heavy time that you break this fucking cycle. Good girls don't say no. This is the very first thing every Indian girl is taught. गुड गर्ल्स कभी ना नहीं कहते, वो एडजस्ट करना जानते हैं। वो बड़ों को तो ना बिल्कुल ही नहीं कहते, क्योंकि फिर संस्कार कहाँ गए आपके? अगर आप ना बोल दिए तो आप संस्कारी नहीं हैं। आपको एडजस्ट होना पड़ेगा संस्कारी बनने के लिए। हमारे यहाँ पे संस्कार इज इक्वल्स टू एडजस्टिंग योर सेल्फ एज मच एज यू कैन, एंड द मिनट आप खुद का स्टैंड ले लो, आप खुद के लिए खड़े हो जाओ, आप खुद के चॉइसेस को आगे रखो, यू आर लेबल्ड एज फकिंग सेल्फिश। आपकी हिम्मत कैसे हो गई कि आपने हमें ना कह दिया? सो दिस इज द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग एवरी इंडियन गर्ल हैज एवर टॉट, लाइक बड़ों को ना मत कहो, लर्न टू एडजस्ट योर सेल्फ, लोग क्या कहेंगे, समाज क्या कहेगा, फक ऑफ, हु कैर्स, लिटरली who cares? Life is too short. Life is literally too short for me to care about your fucking society. I won't say yes if I do not want to. I will say no if I want to. Because this is my life. And I want to live however I want to live. And if you're a woman who just do not know how to say no, who thinks that saying no is equals to you being unkind, then let me hold your hand first, because bestie, you are not being unkind to them, you are being unkind to yourself. So अगली बार से just say no if you mean no, because no is not you being arrogant or you being disrespectful. It just means that you just do not want to. You just do not want to. And please put yourself first. Put your choices first. Your value starts to depend upon what other people and what the society thinks. बिकॉज बचपन से ही हमें यही सिखाया जाता है कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, हमने अगर ये कर लिया तो समाज में इज्जत नहीं बचती, फैमिली इमेज मैटर करता है, वी हैव टू कीप अप विद द फैमिलीज इमेज इवन इफ इट इज कॉस्टिंग आवर होल मेंटल पीस। वी विल स्टिल थिंक अरे बाप रे, अगर मैंने ये कर लिया तो लोग क्या कहेंगे। दिस इज हाउ इंडियन वुमेन आर टॉट। दे विल पुट द सोसाइटी ऑन द पेडेस्टल rather than putting themselves first, because लोग क्या कहेंगे। but in this big 2026, I just literally want every Indian woman to stand up for themselves, to protect their mental peace, and just do whatever they want to do. Wear whatever you want to wear. Put on that bold lipstick, whatever the society says, doesn't matter. Post that pic. Start uploading if you want to be a content creator, because society, they are very flexible. They constantly change their opinions. आज जो तुम्हें गलत बोल रहे हैं, कल को अगर तुम सक्सेसफुल हो जाते हो ना, this same society will be flexible enough to congratulate you and like literally praise you in the society. So why are you working for the society? Why are you thinking of the society? Just start thinking about yourself, please. The third and the most important point, adjust, always adjust. This is the number one thing every Indian woman is ever taught. Like, हर इंडियन वुमेन से आप जाके पूछ सकते हैं आपको पहली चीज क्या सिखाई गई है, एडजस्ट करना. लिटरली हर एनवायरनमेंट में इनको एडजस्ट करना आता है, हर एनवायरनमेंट में. बट द थिंग इज, if you are a married woman and you really do not like that marriage, you can literally end it. You do not have to stay in that marriage just because what your parents will think about you, what the society will think about your parents and you, what लोग क्या कहेंगे. बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली लोग कहते रहेंगे, लोगों के पास अपना अपना मुंह है, वो चलाते रहेंगे. द ओनली थिंग यू कैन डू इज हाउ टू प्रोटेक्ट योर पीस, how to put yourself first, and how to live a happy life. Because no one is coming to save you, no one is obliged to save you, only you can save yourself. So options आपके हाथ में है. What do you want to do? हर भारतीय नारी को लगता है मैरिज इज द बिगेस्ट अचीवमेंट ऑफ अ लाइफ, व्हेन इट्स अपोजिट एंड इट्स वेरी फार फ्रॉम द ट्रूथ. मैरिज इज नॉट योर बिगेस्ट अचीवमेंट in life, because honestly, how the fuck marriage is an achievement? Like, are we running a marathon? Is marriage a marathon? Like, make it make sense. The only achievement you will ever have is how you build a life for yourself. That is the only achievement. Knowing yourself, how to build yourself, what are your weaknesses and how to work on them is the only achievement you will ever achieve as a woman. Anger look bad on girls. Like literally ये बात तो हम सब ने सुनी है. लड़की हो गुस्सा कर रही हो, अरे लड़कियों को इतना गुस्सा नहीं करना चाहिए. हेलो, वाई आर यू गिल्ट ट्रिपिंग मी व्हेन इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस आप ही ने मुझे गुस्सा दिलाया है. वाई आर गिल्ट ट्रिपिंग मी मैन? Can't you just take the accountability and just say sorry? And if you can't, why the fuck are you so worried about me being angry? Because angry, being angry is just a feeling. That means something crossed your boundary. आपको गुस्सा तभी आता है जब आपको लग रहा है कि आपके साथ गलत हो रहा है, वरना कोई इंसान पागल नहीं है कि गुस्सा है. एंड ये जो गुस्सा है ये एक फीलिंग है. इसको हम लड़की या लड़का पे क्यों सीमित कर रहे हैं? अगर लड़की का गुस्सा होना गलत है, देन इट शुड बी इक्वल टू मैन. लाइक लड़कों का गुस्सा होना भी गलत होना चाहिए. दिस इज द बिगेस्ट लाई सोल्ड टू इंडियन वुमेन. एंगर इज जस्ट अ फीलिंग, जस्ट लाइक हैप्पीनेस. एंड अगर आपको ये बार बार सुनने को मिल रहा है, यू डू नॉट हैव टू लर्न दैट शिट, अनलर्न दैट शिट एंड लर्न हाउ टू रियली वैल्यू योर ओन फीलिंग्स एंड लर्न टू रेगुलेट योर सेल्फ. Because this society, they will never teach you this. They will never. And the biggest point, a girl's safety is in her hands. Absolutely bullshit. Do not wear this, do not go there, do not travel alone. When in the other hand, we can just teach boys how to respect women, how to be a human, how to just be a human, like literally. You never start conversations like this. You Indians never try to start a conversation like this. Like, हमें लड़कों को क्या सिखाना चाहिए? नहीं. If something happens to the girl, if something bad happens to the girl, that means that girl has done something. And it's such a sad reality. Like, literally. जिस देश में नारी शक्ति को इतना पूजा जाता है, उसी देश में नारी की थोड़ी सी भी कदर नहीं है. थोड़ी सी भी. Success is okay, but do not outshine the men. This is the biggest scam sold to Indian women. Like literally, you can be ambitious, you can achieve this and that, but do not be too much ambitious that you will outshine the men. Because फिर तुमको दबा दिया जाएगा कि नहीं नहीं आप ज़्यादा उड़ रहे हो, अब आप नीचे आ जाओ. This is the reality. Yes, this is the reality every Indian woman is facing. And this literally breaks my heart. Because why the fuck are you limiting women into something that doesn't even exist, that just exists in your head? Listen, let me hold your hand. Your achievements should not scare anyone. And if it scares, then it's good. Do not let it stop you from achieving your wildest dreams. I sometimes really wonder what would happen if we women collectively get to know about our own power and start using that power for building a beautiful life for ourselves. Because honestly, we women do not want to fight with men. Feminism is not equals to we fighting with men. It just means that we want the equal rights, the basic rights as men have. We want to do whatever we want to do, let it be career, who we want to marry, what we want to do in life. We do not have a beef with you men. But it's sad, but also there are so many men who literally respect women. And I'm really happy that those kind of men exist, and I do believe they exist because my man is one of them. He's the most supportive guy ever. And yeah, I just wish that if you are a woman and you are watching this, then please stay strong, always be ambitious, always be loud, always be confident enough to chase your dreams and leave everything behind just to build a life for yourself that you promised. That is it for the video. If you liked the video, then I would really appreciate if you share this video with your woman gang. Anyways, bye. I love you.